So, you just got yourself a self-heating lunchbox. Now let me show you how it works. Now, in the box, you'll find 5 items: Steambox itself, a food container, water container, charger, and a user manual. A user manual, which we highly recommend you to read. On the front, you'll find the main button, battery and Bluetooth indicators, and timer control. And on the back, you'll find the power switch and the charging port. Always use 2 hands to open, and you'll find a water container inside. Next, we have the Steambox food container. It's made out of stainless steel, it's BPA-free, food-grade, dishwasher-safe, and vegan. Vegan? The best part? They're 99.9% leak-proof. Steambox enables you to enjoy a hot meal anywhere and anytime. You can meal prep for an entire week. You can bring some leftovers or prepare a healthy school lunch. Even a frozen meal would work. Seal the food container and simply put your food into Steambox. Fill up the water container and close the bamboo lid and take off. Experience full freedom of food with Steambox. Enjoy a hot meal outdoors, on the beach, or even in the snow. To start steaming, take out your food, pour the water onto the heating element, put it back in without the seal, and close it with the bamboo lid. Then flick the power switch and select the steaming time. For a 20-minute cycle, we tap the timer button 4 times, as each slide represents 5 minutes of steaming. Then, tap the main button to start steaming. By the way, you can also use the app to operate your Steambox, get live notifications, and access to special recipes. During steaming, continue working on a task, finish your workout, or just take a break. When steaming is done, carefully take off the lid, stir, and eat. It's so good. After eating, just get rid of any excess water. At home, throw the food container in the dishwasher and give Steambox a quick wipe. Charge if needed and get ready for the next day. Quick tip, you can also just leave Steambox at an office, for example, and travel easier with your food containers. That's it. Visit our website to learn more. See ya! 3, 2, 1.